hit MKW-Pros124 with another Lego gumball machine, and that's where you pay, and then you get your gumball out over there. See? You get it out. So, take your key, and I'll watch this. See? Nothing comes out. Nothing came out. So take a dime, put it there, and there goes your gumball. Now I'll get it from a different angle, and then you have to just like kind of tilt that to get the dime out. So reset it. So you ready? Here it goes. Put the key in. Nothing. Right, so and the gumball didn't go in all the way yet. Okay. So now I gotta take my dime and put it in there. Oh, it fell out. There it goes. Ready? Well, that went fast, huh? But I didn't even see that. So then your dime is in there. Go like this, tilt it, and then it should come out like that. And I'll just do it one more time. Then all the way. Ready? So here it goes. And here it goes. I didn't get anything out. So that's why your dime is important. Put it in, ready? Here it comes. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. Where it comes subscribe and post a video response of your Lego gumball machines. Bye.